Hey YouTube, welcome back to another unboxing video, and today I'll be unboxing a very good mobile stand for your table. And this is a very good one and not a very costly, and I bought it for almost 200 rupees from Amazon. And let's see what's inside. So without wasting any more time, let's unbox it. Well, the reviews were very good and I got it for an offer, and the actual price was almost 600 rupees, but during an offer I bought it, so I got it for 200. And you can see the MRP is 699 and it usually sells for rupees 500 to 600, but I was lucky and got it for sale and for a very cheap price. So here it is, and there is nothing else in the box. There are very simple packaging, very simple box. The brand is not a popular one, but the reviews are good, so I bought it. And well, as you guys can see that I have the silver version of the mobile stand. They also come with a black and more than silver or something like that, a cool silver color. But this is the plain silver, and you guys can see that the brand name is ELV Smart Stand and it is made in India, so that's a good thing. So you can see, first of all, the build is very good. It's a solid piece. It won't be bending on its own and should be carrying big phones, tablets and something like that. I don't think it may or can hold more than a 7-inch tablet because it is a small one. As you guys can see that it is almost of my size of my finger, and you can see that there are rubber cushioning here and here so that your phone doesn't get scratched by the metal piece. And for your table there are also 4 rubber grommets. That's why it will be steady and won't be damaging your table, and you guys can see that it won't be wiggling around. So let's put up a phone, and here you guys can see that it can easily hold a phone like this or like this, and there is a vent for your charging cable. Okay, let's get a charging cable here, and here I have a power cord, and you can put it through like this and tuck the remaining cable underneath your table, and it will be like this. Whenever you need to charge your phone, just pull it here and put it in the mobile. This is a USB and this is a micro USB phone, so let's put it in charge. The power is not connected, so it's not charging right now, but here you can see that it will be like this, and you can put your mobile like this, and you can put it aside like this, and you can do your job and check your mobile also. You can use it, but it's not that, what can I say, not that steady, because whenever I'm pressing it, it's going that backwards, but still you can use it like this and it won't be falling off on its own. But if you use a big mobile, 6.5 inch mobile screen or tablet, then I think it's not a ideal stand for those. But for small mobiles like this one, or like I have Mi A3, those will be great, and this is an ideal stand for those. But if you have any bigger than 6.5 inch screen, then you should go and buy another one. And that's pretty much it for this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, then hit the like button, and if you didn't, then hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more videos, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.